Namaskaram everyone. Welcome back to our channel Sadhguru Meditation, where we explore the science behind personal development and empower you to unleash your full potential. Today we have a fascinating topic: the science behind affirmations. How they work to reprogram your mind for success. If you are ready to unlock the secrets to a positive mindset and success, you are in the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our empowering content. Have you ever wondered why affirmations are so powerful? It all starts with understanding how our brains are wired. Our brains have a natural tendency to focus on negative thoughts. Affirmations counteract this by allowing us to speak positive statements, effectively rewiring our neural pathways. Scientific insight. Let's dive into the science behind affirmations. When we think a thought or say a statement, specific neural connections are activated in our brains. The repetition of affirmations strengthens this connection, creating a shift from negative to positive thinking. Impact on neural connections and beliefs. But how exactly do affirmations impact our minds? It's all about neural connections and beliefs. Affirmation help create new positive connections that counteract any negative or limiting beliefs we may have. This process is crucial in fostering a positive mindset. Neuroscience explanation. Our subconscious mind is like a sponge which absorbs everything we think and say. It does not differentiate between positive and negative thoughts. It simply accepts the information. Affirmations feed our subconscious mind with positive beliefs aligned with our goals and desires. Emotional impact and chemical release. Affirmations not only change the way we think but also impact our emotions. When we repeat positive affirmations, our brain releases feel-good chemicals such as dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals make us feel happier, more confident, and motivated. Practical example. Let's explore a practical example of how affirmations can positively impact your day-to-day emotions and mindset. Reprogramming the subconscious mind. Now let's talk about the powerhouse of change, our subconscious mind. It does not distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. That's why feeding it up positive affirmations is crucial. Repetition is the key here. It takes time and practice to rewire our minds. Visualization exercise. I will guide you through a visualization exercise to understand how the repetitions of affirmations reinforces new positive beliefs in the subconscious mind. Practical tips and conclusion. As we wrap up, remember the next time you are feeling stuck or doubting your abilities, harness the power of affirmations. By speaking positive statements to yourself consistently, you can reprogram your mind, unlock success, and achieve your goals. Thank you for joining us today on Sadhguru Meditation. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends who need a mindset shift, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Keep affirming, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.